Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Onyinye Ude, and if today is your first time of seeing my videos, then you are welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a delicious Nigerian Ogbono soup. Let's get started.
I have chicken, hard chicken, okay, and cow skin. I have salt and bouillon seasoning. This is optional, okay, and if you want to add onions, don't add too much when you are cooking soup, so it doesn't taste like stew. You add a little so that it will still taste like soup, especially when you are cooking Nigerian soup recipe. So we add water. The cow skin is still tough, and the hen is the chicken, is tough. Okay, so we're going to cover it and start cooking. All right. At this point, we're going to add red oil. Cover this pot and let the oil cook for some minutes. So we have the ogbono seed, okay? It draws like okra. You can use it for okra soup too. But today I am making plain, delicious, simple ogbono soup without okra. So we're going to blend it. Have our pepper, crayfish, add water, then we blend. So I'm gonna add washed smoked fish chunks. Today we are cooking ogbono soup. Look at the ogbono blend. It has pepper, crayfish, as I said before, ogbono draws like okra, okay? You can pair this with okra to make your okra soup richer and satisfying. Okra soup is a light soup. It doesn't satisfy. But when you add ogbono to it, it's just a nut. It's not carbohydrates. The rest. So I'm going to cover this, okay, and let it cook very well. Let's give it like 20 to 30 minutes, okay, so that the ogbono will cook. So our soup has been cooking for a while. We are cooking the ogbono. It is ready. You have to give it time, at least 20-25 minutes, okay? So it's ready now. It's tasting delicious. It's time to add the vegetable. If you are cooking, you are using spinach. If you are cooking okra and ogbono, this is the right time to add your okra before vegetable. We're coming to the end of this video. Today we cooked a delicious, simple ogbono soup. Please share this video and comment. I'm going to cover it back and let the vegetable cook. The soup is ready. Don't overcook the vegetable. Look at our delicious soup that we made today, ogbono soup. So right now it's time to dish it out. So this is what we made today, ogbono soup without okra, okay? Simple, delicious ogbono soup. Everything is in the right proportion. The vegetable is inviting. It is delicious. We've come to the end of this video. Please subscribe, share this video, all right? Now we see you once again. Bye.